What? Bad boy killers. Yeah, nigga. Fuck them all. Fuck all you motherfuckers. Hey, yo, Biggie, put your hands up. No, I can make it happen. My rapping is similar to motherfuckers when they scrapping. Blast and watch them back up. Notorious Biggie killer. Affiliation with Death Row. Niggas get their caps peeled back. Food is the West Coast. Bitch, you misdemeanor. I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli straight out of jail. Selling needs. Intoxicated. We duplicated but never faded. Now that we made it, my adversary just player hating. Got a Mercedes for these tricks. I thought I quit and got a drop top jet. For these bitches that's on my dick. Go to club in the back. I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip. Cause bitch, I love to scrap. Nigga, mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's. Writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these tricks. Now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all.
Put your hands up in the air, it's a middle finger up there, yeah.
Now could you picture my criminal status at its fucking peak? Even the baddest be getting murdered in they seats. I'm addicted to these streets, like crackers to these creeps. Seeing visions of a prison, wake up screaming in my sleep. Is there a heaven in this hell? A possibility of living well. But if they killing me, I get my stripes and who's the tell? Choosing to sell, I'd rather die and be deceased. Word on my figure, addicted to these fucking streets.
Now put your motherfucking hands up if you's a rider. Niggas ain't killers, so they hide and ride. Fuck them all, touch them all, that's the way to do it. Ride up, hop the fuck out, watch that bitch nigga lose it. Man, I'm as cold as this game. Y'all be knowing my name. A young, high-strung thug nigga created by pain. Living my life in the fast lane, give a fuck about the past. Got my mind on my cash and my next piece of ass, so fuck them all.
Put your hands up in the air, it's a middle finger up there, yeah. I took my dirt up on my lonely, don't need no phony homies, he told me. That go for each and every one of you homies, so don't get comfortable, I'm warning you. Nigga, we outlaw riders, and give a fuck if you love us.
I got glad bags with enemies cut up so they remember me. Soak them in Hennessy so they relatives know it's me. You can bet your last dollar I'll dick them and holler. Riding these hoochies like they some heavy ass Chevy and Pops. Jump up and get your ass shot up. From a profit, pick my Glock up. I'm busting with such efficiency. Popping, nobody got them. Holler, outlaw riders. Mash up on the gas pedal. Vacate the scene, count the cash and stash the precious metal. Here come the coppers, the SWAT team in the helicopters. The practice is crazy, wow, cause they'll never stop us. I watch Arnold Schwarzenegger bust somebody in the movie. Now I wanna do it too. Ooh, niggas is too through. True to the game, I claim outlaw riders. We give a fuck what they try.
Cause you know we're behind it, can you picture me sticking niggas for they watch and chain? Kick back, little nigga, and watch the game. Get your mug rocked and whatnot. We keep it poppin' like a drug spot. The streets know
Even
what's
my
hot.
hood call me Baby Michael Max with the tech shot with some slugs on him. I got a brother, don't rest, and he keeps some drugs on him. Always a grind move, hustle to find food. Ever seen faces of death? That's what my nine
I keep my mind on my money and my money on my mind. With my back against the wall like I'm running out of time. Even rap with a gat, I must be going out my mind. Like I'm up against the world with this gorilla team of mine. Screaming dog like pigs, fuck them all. And die for them, even if them last nigga left, I'ma ride for them, feel me? Until they kill me, that's how I'm rolling. Fuck them all, let them die, that's my slogan. Fuck them all.
Put your hands up in the air, it's a middle finger up there, yeah. I took my dirt up on my lonely, don't need no phony homies, he told me. That go for each and every one of you homies, so don't get comfortable, I'm warning you. Nigga, we outlaw riders, and give a fuck if you love us, we thuggin'.
You a what? Bad boy killers.